Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Code with Robin. This is a small teaser of the work that we will be doing together in the near future. The whole concept behind it is to learn coding from scratch, from beginning to the advanced level. If you have any preferences in terms of coding language, you can share it with me. Anyways, we are going to create the tremendous, fabulous content for all of you. A small teaser, as I said, you can see I have created a game in the Unity Hub. If you can see my screen, yeah, over to you, Yan.
Yeah, so we're gonna play this quick game that we made in Unity Hub, and all of it's pure code. So stay tuned for future videos. This is just a teaser, so we'll just start it.
Okay, let's play it. Yeah,
Sorry,
it's loading.
it's loading.
So, Yan, do you know coding already?
No,
Okay,
I'm I'm going to try learning it with all of you guys.
good. So, as you can see in our screen, the score is changing. So, as soon as
As soon as I touch the pipes, my character is going to die.
yeah,
See, game lost. So
so you can see the game is lost.
yeah, and
Yeah.
there's a play again button. After few moments.
So yes, we'll take a pause now from the game. So as you can see, this game is entirely created in Unity Hub, which I'm going to show you in our subsequent videos. But to start with the gaming, what we need to understand is basic programming. So what we'll cover the hardware part, the software part, how software gets integrated with the hardware, and the all the content, the videos will be made to keep in mind for kids, for beginners, for the youth who just want to start the programming till we touch the advanced concepts. So till then, happy coding, code with Robin.
And remember to like and subscribe. The only thing you have to do is go on this channel, showed right here, hit the like button on some videos, and subscribe. Have a happy new year!
Happy New Year.